Chelsea TV and everyone. Today is a big day. Today is a great game. Bayern Munich or Chelsea.
We're gonna win for you. And when we score the goals, we're gonna rock and roll. We've come a long, long way, and we are here to stay. Everybody sing Chelsea, boys in blue. Chelsea, Chelsea, we love you. Chelsea, our love is true. No one can stop us now. Chelsea, we're the team. Chelsea. Go on, Chelsea! 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 We're gonna beat the rest. Together we are one. Look at what we've done. The
Odessa Blues from Ukraine, and we have just watched the game against Bayern Munich for the Super Cup, the European Super Cup. And though we're at least disappointed, but we are very proud of our team. They played really well, and come on Chelsea!
Come on Chelsea! Come on Chelsea! Come on Chelsea! Chelsea!